What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It has been a long time since I've posted, January 16th to be exact. Today is February 23rd, it's almost March. I haven't posted in over a month. My apartment flooded. It was dripping from the ceiling like crazy last week, so I had to deal with that. And there's gonna be a whole video on that at some point. But today, it's Saturday. It's our day off. Me and my friends are gonna go to the beach. We don't know which. I don't know which beach. Either Daytona or Clearwater. We haven't decided yet. We're going to the beach. Yeah, it's gonna be fun because I need a day off, and the beach is like my favorite place in the world. So, let's go. You vlogging? I'm vlogging.
You are both vlogging.
Oh, now he's vlogging.
And Lan's vlogging. We're all vlogging except for Allie.
Now you gotta start vlogging.
Allie's making us sandwiches. She's so
Party
mom
people.
material.
Too many vlogs.
Greg is vlogging.
Wife her up.
Greg is vlogging on a new phone that she still doesn't know how to use.
I will.
Allie's making sandwiches.
I don't know what's happening. There's so many people.
I got a
vlogging.
monster.
Too many people. Too many people.
Hey, go subscribe to our channel. Actually, I don't have a channel yet.
I know.
But, like, after we
Make
this,
one. You have
yeah.
that one. You have that one channel.
Oh yeah.
Gonna need the umbrella. And I'm gonna need this chair. Let's get it.
And we're about to head towards the beach. We have Allie, she's driving, and Lance, who's also vlogging, and Greg, who is also vlogging.
Yep.
Are we ready?
I'm freaking ready. I'm ready.
Are y'all excited?
I'm ready, and Greg and I have the same phone case, the same boat.
Yeah, me and him have the same phone, the same phone case, the same phone color. The only thing we can tell is our backgrounds are different. And then her and her bright yellow phone.
Yeah. What is this monstrosity?
This camera quality.
Beach time! Let's go to the beach, beach! Let's go to the beach, beach! To the beach, beach! Everyone's just vlogging each other, it's weird. We're meant to shine! Hands up and touch the sky. You can't sing, my dude.
So high.
No, you're not.
No, I'm not.
One, two.
We made it. What do you think? We're in Clearwater now. You need to pee. My phone's on the charger. I need to unplug it. We're in Clearwater. You can't really see it, but there's nothing much to see. But we're here now, and I can't wait to get to the beach. It's already like 3 o'clock, so.
Come on.
He's busy caring about the Pokemon. She's vlogging again, and we're stuck in traffic in Clearwater. But life is good. There's the golf! Way out there, you can see it. No, the golf.
We forgot our clubs.
Wow, not funny. But we're on the last causeway, we're almost there. It's taking us forever because of traffic, but
Yeah.
what'd you expect? To Clearwater's...
Full of hot guys.
And he goes UCF. UCF on the front.
I must not be in there. You said a Jeep full of hot guys, I'm not in there. This is life. Must be doing something right. There's Clearwater. So close, but yet so far. We're only like a mile away. That was lit, y'all. We successfully parked after like a half hour of trying to find a spot. But we successfully found a spot on the side of some jank road, but hey, we found a spot to park, so we're good. Yo, this is life. What you think? I don't know where they went, but they're gone. They'll be back at some. Oh, makes sense. But yeah, we're just chilling here on the beach. pretty nice, it's pretty bright. Took my glasses off so I don't want to get tan lines. Trying to get golden browns because I'm usually pretty white around this time. I'm pretty white right now, but let's be honest, but you get the point. We're doing picture time with this awesome background we have here.
I really didn't feel like walking all the way there, so I just called it.
Show us the picture you got. Or that I took.
That is such
Oh, the glare. The glare is bad.
That is such a good picture.
Yep, that's a good picture.
That's my new speaker.
These pictures will be on my Instagram, so go follow me up in the corner or whichever corner it will be in. I don't really know, but yeah. Cameraman, being the slave. This awesome backdrop. And the sunset. It's about to be sunset, I can't wait. The beach is really my happy place. I love the beach. The beach is the best. Let's just take a moment to appreciate that.
I will.
That's a screenshot. Yo, look at me.
Love you, Mom.
Look at me. We're all just over here. But yeah, that.
It's funny, the pilot who was taking my mom home.
Yo, it's so cool. Yo!
Elvis! I knew
It is
he wasn't
Elvis.
dead! I knew he wasn't dead!
Oh! They got like a movie theater in the park. And then there's Bree. And there's Lance. He ain't paying attention. There's Allie. And there's the Hooters. Let's go to Hooters, y'all. Hey, that Jeep! Yeah! They vibing over there. That's party Jeep over there. Well, it's time to leave. I'm sad because I absolutely love the beach. The beach has been my favorite place since I was like 8 years old, so it's really sad to see us go. But this dude in here, you sad to see the beach go?
Yes.
Alright, we're in the
I'm
car.
sad.
We're gonna head back to
Oh, she's
Orlando.
vlogging.
Be shirtless.
I don't want to go to Orlando. Oh, there's no beach in Orlando.
Sad.
I don't want to go home.
You know, I'm very disappointed in myself. Holy shit.
Okay, you're good. You're good. There's cars. There's no cars. We're good. We're good. Okay, but we're leaving the beach now. It's making me very sad because I love the beach so much. See you back in Orlando.